In this project, we implement a web application for Fertilizers recommendation system disease prediction using deep learning. An automated system is introduced to identify different diseases on plants by checking the symptoms shown on the leaves of the plant. Deep learning techniques are used to identify the diseases and suggest the precautions that can be taken for those diseases. How plant disease can be identified when it is affected. Agriculture is the most important sector in today's life. Most plants are affected by a wide variety of bacterial and fungal diseases. Diseases on plants placed a major constraint on the production and a major threat to food security. Hence, early and accurate identification of plant diseases is essential to ensure high quantity and best quality. In recent years, the number of diseases on plants and the degree of harm caused has increased due to the variation in pathogen varieties, changes in cultivation methods, and inadequate plant protection techniques. This is the technical architecture of this project. From the technical architecture, first you need to be ready with the image dataset for pre-processing. The pre-processed images are categorized into trained dataset and test dataset. After the pre-processing occurs, you have to train the images using deep learning algorithm. After training of the images, you have to test the images in the algorithm. Then you should have to evaluate the model. For this project we require the following softwares: Anaconda, Jupyter Notebook, Spider. Also we need these packages: TensorFlow, Keras, Flask, OpenCV, NumPy, Pandas. For the implementation of this web application, you should have requirements like: first you have to download the datasets. Next, from the datasets you need to classify the datasets into train and test sets using Python code given here. This is the code to find the classes in the dataset. Next you have to add neural network layers for the model. After that, load the trained images and fit it. Then test it. This is how my project works. Enter the URL in your browser and click into it. Now the home page of your web application will appear in that it shows the information about the web application. Next, in that page you want to click the Predict button to navigate to Prediction page. In Prediction page, first you want to select the plant type in drop-down list shows fruit or vegetable. Next you select the fruit as plant type, choose the image of the fruit leaf. Click on the Predict button and it shows the prediction as OPS. Your apple plant is infected by black rots. This infection is a fungal infection. To control bulk rot, remove the cankers by pruning at least 15 inches below the end and burn or bury them. Treating the sites with the antibiotic streptomycin or a copper-based fungicide will be helpful. Then select the plant type as vegetable and choose the vegetable leaf. Click on Predict button and it shows the prediction as YAE. Your pepper plant is healthy. But, take the necessary precautions like putting the plant where it gets at least 10 hours of direct sunlight. Keep soil evenly moist for good growth. Peppers need well-draining soil that is rich and loamy, but avoid too much nitrogen in the soil. Too much nitrogen can cause plenty of leaves and little to no peppers. Your soil should have a pH between 6.0 and 6.5. The entire project coding and templates are given in the GitHub link in the video description. Thank you for watching. Share your feedback in the comment box.